A good roof should be well crafted, durable, and long-lasting. As a homeowner, there are roof repairs in Plano, Texas you can make to ensure that you get the most life out of your roof. With some easy maintenance, you can avoid having small problems turn into big ones. First, keeping your gutters in good shape is vital. If debris sits on top of gutters or gets trapped in gutters, it can lead to clogs and backed up water. This, in turn, may result in algae and mold growth, water damage, and rot. Next, keeping trees near the roofline trimmed is another important maintenance step that can help prevent storm-related damage and reduce the amount of debris falling on your roof. Finally, scheduling annual professional inspections is key to addressing issues while they are still small. Phillips Home Improvements will check all of your roof's physical components to check for damage. We'll also make sure that there are no signs of leaks or water damage in your Collin County, Texas home. If the roof on your Plano, Texas home does need more than just a little maintenance, it is time for repairs or replacement. Phillips Home Improvements is the most trusted name in roofing. Call us at 972-867-9792 for a free quote.